In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Palworld on laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Palworld is available on many different platforms, including PC through Steam, so you will be able to play on a laptop. Of course, the game might not run perfectly, but in general, it should work flawlessly as long as you are running it on a Windows PC. You can purchase the game officially through Steam, so if you visit the website, you can click on the Steam option, or you can go directly to the Steam store and look for Palworld. In here, you can find the game in your own local currency and choose the option to purchase. If you scroll down, you can also find the system requirements. If you are not sure how your laptop is going to perform, I recommend looking for YouTube videos that show the performance on your specific hardware. Because every single laptop is different, you will not be able to know what sort of performance you are going to get. But as long as you watch a baseline video, you will be able to have a relatively close idea. What they recommend is an i9 9900K and a GeForce RTX 2070. So as long as you have something that is newer gen, for example, a 40 series or a 50 series, you should be good to go. But as always, search for your specific hardware, including CPU and GPU on YouTube, and you can see how the game performs. Besides this, there's no secret. You purchase the game. If you have never used Steam before, you will have access to the launcher where you can download it and start playing on your laptop. Once it is downloaded, it's yours to keep. You will be able to play alone, on servers, you can play with friends, with random people online, whatever you want to do. Just make sure that you acquire the game officially through Steam. It is also available on Xbox and PlayStation consoles. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.